Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. As we told in the last video, we will be doing a Windows system hacking using the Metasploit, the Kali NOS. Okay? So basically to do this attack you need a Kali machine. I hope you have successfully installed the Kali machine. Video, let me tell you something. So disclaimer, this video is only for the educational purpose, okay? I'm not teaching you any illegal activities. Perform this all activities in a virtual environment safely and securely, fully legally, okay? So don't forget to research about this all topic from the internet, otherwise you will be scripted, not a professional hacker, okay? Got into our Kali machine. Here you can see. So for now let me just open a terminal here, but in future we will be surely making a video how to bypass firewall and try to gain access, okay? How to hack a system by fully bypassing the firewall. If you want, just comment it below, okay? So for now we are just doing this attack in our own local area network, okay? LAN, not the world area network, okay? So for now our both victim and attacking device are in the same network. Later on I will also tell you how to perform this attack in WAN, okay, using the public IP. For now we are just performing this attack locally. So our both victim and attacking device are in the same network. Here you can see. Then let me just do a nmap command 192.168.1. Okay, what this command do is nmap is a scanning tool, of course you know probably, and that is, we did a scanning and then it scans all the devices which are in our network, okay? Here you can see. So for now my victim devices, let me see, in our so our victim device is in 192.1.67, right? So here this is my victim device. So using the nmap we will be scanning it. So SD for the version of the system and -O for the operating system scanning. This is for now, okay? Then we just enter our victim IP, which is 192.168.1.67 and click enter. Just wait few minutes, okay? Here you can see victim system is successfully scanned, okay? Because this is the first step of hacking. We have steps like scanning, immersion, and exploit, maintaining the access, persistence, what you call, okay, like that, and removing our tracks, all the footprints, etc. Okay, so this can see we scan all our Windows port, in which port what is running. So for now my Windows system is totally secure, there is nothing vulnerability. But while scanning, if you found some a version of service running there, you can check the vulnerability or the way to exploit it using the internet, okay? Just search now. For now let me just tell you how you can do that. Channel is MSF console. Just wait few minutes to run the service. Okay guys, here you can see the Metasploit MSF console is successfully launched. Then what you do is type this command, search and the vulnerability. For now we have nothing vulnerability in our system, so for now just I'm writing SSH. So here you can see all the vulnerability of SSH. If you don't know what SSH is, you can just check it in the internet. It's kind of remote cell access we can do using this SSH, okay? And then if you find any matching vulnerability, what you can do, here you can see a number, just write that number. For now we are writing 156, a random number, and okay, you can just do use and the number of the vulnerability where it belongs. Like in 156 there is auxiliary scanning auto bypass of SSH. We selected the vulnerability. You can do so options like this, and here you can see all the options you need to do to exploit. So for now it is asking for the R host and output. Output is already given R host. So to give the R host, you do set R host and the target like 196 and the target victim. Okay, 192.168.167 is our Windows machine. You can just click enter. For now I'm not doing that, and then after you do that you can just do exploit and hit command. Okay, like this. For now nothing happened because I didn't give the rhost, but if you do that rhost and click exploit button, and if the vulnerability is existing in that machine, you will definitely get the cell access of that system, and you can do the privilege escalation and the persistence and many things. Okay, fully exploit the system, scan the vulnerability and attack. Let's come to the topic. So how are you gonna do this in the real life? For now we just did a on a local environment. The victim and the attacker was in the same network, but attack in the real life. Okay, you need to do the scanning in the public IP of the router using the, here you can see, let me show you, something like this Gravify. Here you can see the Gravify the link. Okay, what you can do is just open any YouTube video or whatever like this, and for now let me just click this video and share its link. Okay, Gravify.link website, paste that URL of the YouTube video, create URL. Okay, I agree. You can see it gives something link like this. Just what you need to do is copy this new URL. Okay, this new URL, paste it, or give this URL to the victim, and when he clicks that URL, a video, normal YouTube video will appear.
Hello everyone, have you ever managed to sacrifice all your...
But actually in the backend. So here you can see, don't forget to click this smart logger, and then when someone clicks that link and access the YouTube video, in backend you can see the that victim IP, the public IP of the router. This IP can be easily accessible from the whole internet because this is the public IP. So that's why I hope you have learned networking well, because it's very important to learn the networking and its code to do such type of attacks. So let me do nmap and sv and o and paste that public IP of the router. Okay, like here you can see some small details. It didn't scan properly because of the firewall and the security inside that router. But we have also some ways. I'm not gonna tell you this because of the YouTube policy reasons, but you can just search it in the internet. Okay, read documentation and many things, and you will see how to bypass this type of firewall and scan the server properly. And by the help of that scanning, if you find such type of vulnerability, you can easily try to get exploit in it and get the full access of the system. Okay, your doubt. So what that is, we just scan the router, but how do we gonna scan the devices and try to exploit that devices which are connected to that router? For that we have also networking comes there. There is a topic called port forwarding. Don't forget to learn and research about it. Okay, using that port forwarding, we can see if any system is forwarding their port in the router, and if it is, we're just gonna grab that port forwarding port and scan that port. Okay, and check all the softwares or the programs running in that port, and we're gonna try to get exploits using that. So that's how we're gonna do the hacking in the real world, the WA, and not in our local environment. Okay, I just told you the basic concept. You need to research about it, hours of research, many things. Okay, this is much for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share to your friends. Bye.